Alright, this is Dale Skills, how to put back together a Stundenglass, because for some reason there's no videos of that out there. Alright, here we go. So first you're going to need this shaft piece. We switched out all the O-rings, there's two there, those are medium, and these are large. So first you're going to put the shaft through this piece here. You want this end right here on that side like that. And if you look in there, you'll see a groove. When I slide it, you want it right in the middle to be able to put it on the stand. Just kind of wiggle it till it locks in place there. And if it works, it can't go out either way, it's locked because of this piece here. Alright, so next is you put this pin in. And you put that weird side with the grooves there, you put that in first. And you put it in on that top one there, this one. Okay, it's in. Right. Alright, next we're putting these two screws in, these two Allen heads that go here. Can you see it okay on here? I'm gonna just use it this way to get it kind of tight, and then I'll switch it around to get it kind of super tight. Okay, and then flip it this way and give it a little bit, not too much. Okay. Okay. All right. Okay. So next is this piece. Got to put it back together. I took everything out, so got to put these little black pieces in. There's two of these, and if you notice, it can only go in on one side, not that side. It's this side. You see those two grooves on the top and bottom. You can slide it in, and as you slide it in, you can look from the top, and it should line up on both holes. That's the wrong way, so we gotta. That's for the bottom piece. So we'll get the other piece.
Okay, there you
go. Oh, I see, because the groove. My bad on that bottom piece, disregard that. So I just needed to flip it to where the two holes are to the left. Okay, you see it's lining up, that's what you want. Do that for the bottom, holes to the left. Okay, it's in there. Alright, next is these washers. Two whites, two metals. So it's hard to tell, but these are beveled. And what that means is it kind of like points more outwards on one side. And so on this one, it's that way. You put that to the outside. Push it in there tight.
Put the flat on the outside.
Flat on the outside. And then you put the metal ring over that. Same thing on this side. Okay, that side faces out. Alright, metal rings keep falling out. Just kind of hold them in there. Okay, so this goes on this way. So these two holes have to be facing towards the Stundenglass symbol or writing. And you kind of make sure your metal ring's on there and you just push it on. as much as you can. Okay, we're still good. Alright, next is this piece here. Just kind of push it over.
Try to stay like right here.
Okay. Metal ring's coming out. Push this over like that. I had it backwards, sorry. So the threaded part's out. Something's going on with mine, so you usually put the Allen head hole downwards, but mine keeps like twisting to the side. I think something's wrong with it. But anyways, put that downwards, push this thing on. And you can see that it's, can you see it on there?
There you go.
You can see the holes on the bottom.
It's hard to see it.
Let me get that tiny little Allen head you have there. And mine's kind of stripping out because we've had this thing for like 3 years now. Put it on the end of the Allen head they give you.
Okay, pick up your fingers.
Right now I'm just twisting it as much as I can this way, like the last time. Okay, it's pretty tight. I'll try to give it one more turn this way. Like I said, mine's kind of stripped out though. I don't think it's turning. Okay, got one more turn out of it there. Try to get this as tight as I can because ours has been leaking from right here, so that's why I switched all these O-rings as well. Seem okay? Okay. Alright, and then the little dome piece here. Just screw this on. And it should end or tighten facing up, but again, something's wrong with ours, so it's kind of sideways. We just leave it, try not to, because it'll turn the inner part that I just tightened with the Allen head. So we just leave it. I switched out this tiny O-ring as well. This is the hardest one to get in. So. Once you get it, there you go. It catches, but it's just hard to get. All right. Let's see. So next, mine has a ash catcher. It's a little bit different, but not much. But what I'm gonna do is this goes into here and screws on, and then this is just a magnet. Alright, make sure you got this and this piece with the rubber cover. You just put it on there and you screw it into the top, and then that just sits in here, usually the thicker part out, or the wider part out. And then, alright, and then we're ready for stems. So again, ours was kind of leaking, so we switched these two on both of them. These just go back inside the case. Screw tight.
Not too tight.
Yeah, not too tight on those because we smashed our last two. They got kind of tore up. Screw this in. Same thing on the other side. About that. Okay. Well, let me put this in. Alright, and the glass dome. And you can pour this with the stem on. It's a little harder, but just be careful. Or you can take it back off if you want. And if the water's running through nice, then you know it's good.
You should distill water.
Yeah, we use distilled water. We don't want any buildup inside of here, so we use purified. But if something's wrong, you'll see that this part right here tends to like fill up with water and not drain. But if it's draining like this one is, everything's good. A little bit more, maybe?
Oh shit. It's okay.
Alright. Just getting a little bit more water. Sometimes after you flip it, it changes the level too, so you gotta be careful. Okay, we tend to put our water level just like a little bit, about a half inch or so down. Alright, and then you can flip it and just kind of test it out, see if everything's running good. Looks good. There's that piece. This little headband.
Okay.
I think we're good. And then that's it for that. I'm pretty sure you guys know how to do your hoses, but just in case, got one piece for this. Magnet.
Did you change those gaskets?
Magnet. I did not change these ones. And I bought a glass piece for this tip. And then this piece just goes onto here. Boom.